Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll go to the settings, enter the always on display and lock screen category and expand the available values as per the sleep option, we'll realize that the maximum time value that we can set by the default means of the system is 10 minutes. Therefore, if you would like to set it to any higher values, let's say 30 minutes or 1 hour, even up to an infinite amount, therefore never, you would want to open up the Google Play Store and download the free third-party app called Caffeine, which I'll do right now. Already, for some reason my Google Play Store glitched, so let me restart it real quick. In here at the search bar I'll type in Caffeine. So this is the app that we are looking for, Caffeine. Keep the screen on, so let's install it. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch the app, and in here all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, just like so, and that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active, as long as it is at the recent app section, therefore not closed, not terminated, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.